Hello and welcome, and today we're going to make a heart pump model. In this video we're going to learn on how to make it your own and how does it work. So let's start with the materials. You need 2 straws, you need 2 latex balloons. This one is already installed. Cut the tails of the balloon and just remain the dome of the balloon, the top one, and puncture 2 holes. It doesn't need to be so large. In fact, much tighter holes is also recommended as it will give proper seal on our straw. You also need 2 rubber bands for sealing and also for helping the balloon not to pop out when you're trying to compress the balloon out. So what you want to do is to, of course, cut the balloon and puncture 2 holes and then wrap it around on the jar. Now you can use any kind of jar, like mason jar or peanut butter jar. I just use this novelty beer mug that is also glass, and I fill it with water before putting the balloon in. So now let's put our straw onto the jar. Make sure that it will fit. This is the trickiest part if you have very small holes. There we go, that will work just fine. And this one is like the valve that we will put a latex balloon in. Basically, you want to seal it in, so when you compress the jar, the compressed air will move the water into just one straw because the other straw is blocked. Now you want to stretch the hole that you made and just put the hole, put your straw in with the balloon that is wrapped onto the straw. And then for the final sealing, we will put a latex rubber band also onto the jar so it will be properly sealed. And now it is done. As you can see, this is just how easy it is to create a heart pump model on your home. Now how does it work? Well, you need to push the middle of this guy. It will create like a vacuum like seal. To take the water out on just one straw. So that's how simple this one works. I could properly seal it much better, but because I'm short on materials, that's why I just make a very simple model. It works, but it's not as proper as the other would, but I mean, I get the idea of how this thing works, right? And there you go, it's broken. Well, that's the vlog on how we could properly make we could somehow make a heart pump model. So it's very easy to make, and it's also very fun to make. If you have your friend by your side, you could create your own heart pump model on your own, and it's also cool. And it's very easy to make and very fun to play with and very fun to assemble. So that's it for now, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Peace.